Hi all, welcome to misy 5350. This is your course on Enterprise Resource Planning, Electronic Commerce. I am Dr. Kakuli Bandyopadhyay. Since I have a long last name, I go by Dr. B. I will be your instructor for this course. My office is in 237, the Business Building, Galloway. I have given you my phone number, office phone number. I have my Blackboard email for communication. Please use that Blackboard email for communication. I also have given you my alternative email address, but please do not use it for course related inquiries. My office hours is on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 2 p.m. and during those that slot 1 to 2 on Tuesdays and Thursdays I will be available online, and I have given you the link from where I will be available. So when you click on that link, you join, and then you can chat with me, you can see me, I can see you, I can hear you, and we can chat. Any other times you want to talk to me, you have to make an appointment, or you can, when I'm in my office, my doors are open, so you can just simply walk in, or you can call me, but you can also make an appointment so that I would be there waiting for you. Okay, I will talk to you about the course objective. In this course, we would be using SAP NetWeaver module or platform to develop front-end web-based applications, okay, which basically add functionality to the ERP systems of the organization. So this course will provide you with the conceptual foundation as well as hands-on experience at developing web-based applications. So the course evolves around SAP NetWeaver platform. Within that, we would be working on Enterprise Portal and Visual Composer. With SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portal, you can quickly and effectively integrate SAP solutions, third-party applications, legacy systems, databases, unstructured documents, internal and external web content, and collaboration tools. Also, we will learn Visual Composer, which is a powerful design tool that facilitates the creation of portal content using a graphical user interface rather than manually writing code. It provides sophisticated yet simple to use tools for creating portal iViews, and the iViews they process data from backend systems such as SAP R3 and SAP Business Information Warehouse, as well as external sources such as relational databases and web services. Other than the SAP portion of this course, we also have like half of the course talking about electronic commerce, its technology infrastructure, the business strategies, web server hardware and software, software security, payment systems, and so on. Okay, so to be precise, in this class, first we will learn the concepts of e-commerce along with knowledge about the technology infrastructure, business strategies, web server hardware, software, electronic security, and payment systems. And we will also develop hands-on skills in SAP NetWeaver, including Enterprise Portals and Visual Composer. Once again, with Visual Composer, we can develop systems without having to write code, and Enterprise Portals give us the ability to integrate SAP solutions with other third-party applications, databases, backend databases, legacy systems, documents, contents, and collaboration tools. ADA compliance, you can read from the syllabus. Drop and withdraw date, last day to drop or withdraw and still receive a passing grade is Monday, October 1, and the last day to drop or withdraw for the semester with penalty is Monday, November 5. Teaching materials. The required text is Introduction to Electronic Commerce, 3rd edition by Tarban, King and Lang. I've given you other information. We will use Blackboard for this class and I will walk you through Blackboard. I've given you the link for Blackboard. You have to log in. Also, as I was telling you, my online meeting sessions, which is basically my office hours, will be conducted through Connect Pro, and I gave you the link. So click on the link and then you can see me, hear me, and you can chat with me. Recommended software for this class is SAP NetWeaver. We will be using 7.3 and this software is downloadable. Okay, so when it is made available to us by SAP, I will give you the link to download the module. Course requirements. There will be exams, 2 exams. Both exams are closed book, closed note, and it can be accessed through Blackboard. Content of the exams will be derived from the course material. Makeup exams will be given only under extreme circumstances with verifiable written excuse. Assignments. Late assignments will not be accepted. Assignment instructions are in Blackboard, and as I was telling you, I will walk you through Blackboard and you have to also turn in assignments through Blackboard. This is my grading scheme. Exam 1 25 points, Exam 2 25 points, SAP assignments 190 points, other assignments 60 points, research report 50 points. So that brings the total to be 350 points. Okay. Okay, so grade distribution. If you make 90% and above, that is 315 and above, you are making an A. 280 to 314 is B, 245 to 279 is C, and so on. Computer requirements. Either, this is an online class, either you can use your own computer or you can use the College of Business lab. The lab is 109 GB, the business building, and also 246 GB. Those are the 2 business labs. They have the SAP software loaded. You can use the labs if you are on campus. If you are not on campus, then you have to use your own computer. Online course support. Blackboard, I have given you the link, and the distance education provide the technical support for the Blackboard related problems, and I have given you the Blackboard numbers, the distance ed number also. SAP help. Of course, I am your instructor. You can always ask me for any problem that you may have. We also have an additional help in Miss Liz Simmons. I have given you her email address and her office hours, the office number and the phone number. If you have issues with downloading SAP in your laptop, if something in your laptop is not working because of some other software which you have, please take it to Miss Simmons. Okay. Any infrastructural questions, okay, downloading questions, SAP, like you have issues with downloading the software, you can take it to Miss Simmons. Also, you can ask her assignment related questions, but assignment related questions I prefer that you ask me first. If I'm overwhelmed and if I'm not being able to answer because of the number of students that are seeking help, I can ask you to go to her. Academic honesty. I cannot overemphasize the importance of academic honesty in these online classes. First of all, make sure that you do not submit anybody else's assignment or anybody else's file. If you do that, then it is, I can immediately find that out and you make zeros. Okay, so the first time you submit somebody else's assignment, you make a 0. The second time you do the same thing, you are given an F in the course. So please be careful. Do not submit anybody else's assignment. You are here to learn. So please, do your own work. And also, I cannot overemphasize the need for you, or cannot overemphasize the fact that help is available. please seek help. Instead of taking somebody else's assignment and submitting it and making a 0 and failing the course, seek out, ask for help. Help is available. You can ask for help from me, you can ask for help from Liz. Okay, we do have ways of helping it out. And do not feel that, well, this may not be a legitimate question to ask. Ask anyway. Okay, so if you have any issues, feel free to ask us. If you do not ask, we don't know what is your problem, or so we don't know. So don't feel shy to ask about any issues that you may have. Okay, course attendance policy. It is desirable that you check your email often, definitely before and after the class. Okay, so we, like everything is due on Tuesday and Thursday, so I would ask you to check your email on Wednesday and also on Monday to make sure that you are with the class. Also, it's your responsibility that you are officially enrolled in this course. At any point, if you decide to drop the class, it is your responsibility to officially drop. If you do not drop and if you do not attend, at the end of the semester you get an F. Okay. So this is my tentative course schedule. Even if I say it's tentative, but you will see that very closely I will follow this syllabus. So the first day, August 28, it is important for you to take the time and read the syllabus and check out the blackboard. Read the syllabus thoroughly. Okay, because I do not have a face-to-face class, it's all in the syllabus. So please read the syllabus thoroughly and also hear this video. On August 30, which is Thursday, okay, I would like for you to look at chapter 1, look at the study guide. I prepared study guides for each chapter. So look at the study guide for chapter 1 and work on assignment 1. Assignment 1 is due on September 4. On September 4, I ask you to look at chapter 2, look at the chapter 2 study guide, work on assignment 2, and your assignment 1 is due that day. If you look at the syllabus from now on, you will see that you work on an assignment on one day, but you submit it the following day. That way, you start early. In an online class, it is very, very important that you start early, so that if you are, for some reason, if you can't complete the assignment, if you don't understand the assignment, or you have some issues with your computer or with your understanding, you have time to ask for help. See, assignment 1 is due on September 4 and all my assignments are due at 11:59 in the night. So at the end of the day, it's due in the midnight. So if you sit at 11 in the night with assignment 1 on September 4, something goes wrong, your computer crashed, or your software is not coming up, or you are not understanding what exactly I want you to work on assignment 1, you have nobody to help you. But if you started on August 30 and you could not finish the assignment because of your lack of understanding, then you have several days to ask me. So again, it is very important, and please listen to this carefully. I am not going to accept late assignments. Your computer crashed at 11:30 when you were trying to submit your assignment. Too bad. You should have started earlier, because if all of you start submitting late assignments, it is not possible for me to grade assignments on time, give you feedback on time, and coordinate the class successfully. It is very important that all of us respect each other's time. As I respect your time, you have to be able to respect my time too. So, once again, start early, definitely one whole day in advance, so that you have time to come back and ask questions in case something happens. Okay, and so this goes on, and then on September 13 to 16 we have exam 1. That means that I will keep exam 1 open from September 13 to September 16, and you can finish it within those days. Okay, and you have to study chapters 1 to 5 and 6 for exam 1. Then we again start working on chapter 7, 8, 9 and 10, and you work on different assignments, and these are assignments on your book, okay, on the e-commerce concept of your book, the book chapters. And then your exam 2 will remain open from October 4 to October 7, and the chapters involved are 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then on October 9, I want you to make sure that your SAP is working from your computer, or you have checked out the labs for working on the SAP assignments. And then from October 11 onward, you will start working on the SAP assignments. One assignment is due every night, and once again be careful that you start early, so that, like for example, SAP assignment 1 you should start on October 11, so that if something goes wrong you can verify it and then submit your work on October 16. And you can always submit early. If you so desire, you can finish the course other than of course the exams are time bound, but you can do your assignments earlier. Okay, there is no problem in doing that, but you cannot be late. And SAP assignments sometimes you can be locked out, a particular module is not working, you are not understanding how to finish it, you need help. So please once again start early. It is very important. I have been teaching these courses for quite some time now, online courses also for quite some time. So I know from my experience that it is easy to make a good grade in these classes if you do a few things. Number 1 is you start early. Okay. Number 2, you finish on time. Okay. And number 3 is that you be with the class, you read things carefully. Okay, and also seek help. So basically, if I have to give you 3 things, I would say start early, okay, ask for help, and number 3, submit on time. If you can follow these 3 rules, you should be good. Then we have a research report for this class. I'll give you the research topic, and you have to write a report on that, and that would be due on the last day of the class, and that is basically in place of your final exam. So final exam is basically a research report which is due on December 4. Okay, now I will take you to Blackboard. Okay, so in the Blackboard, this is your course, misy 5350. Okay, so if you click this left hand side is very important. You have all the things there. So if I click on the syllabus, you will see this is your syllabus. So click on it, and when you click on it, you will get to see the syllabus, which I have already opened. Okay, the next thing is chapter slides. The book slides, the chapter slides from the books, they are all here, PowerPoint slides. And we will cover chapter 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 from the book. They are all listed here. Chapter study guides. I have prepared these study guides for you. So basically the chapters are long, so this is to guide you about what are the different items that you should learn from that chapter, and I have given you the book page numbers also. So for example, when I'm preparing the study guide for chapter 1, I looked into chapter 1 and I found that you need to know these following things: that what is an e-commerce, what is the difference between e-commerce and e-business, what are the different dimensions of e-commerce, what is a brick and mortar organization, then what is the difference between virtual, pure play, click and mortar organization, what is e-market, what is intranet, what is extranet, what are the different types of e-commerce like B2C, B2B, CRM, what is the e-commerce framework, what are the applications, so on and so forth. Okay, so I've prepared the study guides for you. Then assignments, these are non-SAP assignments, and you have to submit the assignments from here. Many times I have seen that many of you will submit your assignment via email. No, you do not submit assignment via email. How do you submit assignment? Okay, this is your assignment, assignment 1. So click on assignment 1, open it. This is what I'm asking. So you see, this is assignment 1, this has 8 points. Due date is September 4. You have to submit a Word document via Blackboard. And what is this assignment about? This assignment is from page 37 in chapter 1 of your book, and these are the questions you have to answer. Okay, and this is about a case in the book, how college students become entrepreneurs. Now if you look at here, see, it also says submit a Word document. This is from page 37 of your book, so and so. So how do you submit? You go here, you click on assignment 1, okay, and then you attach, you browse your computer and attach your Word document from here, and then you submit. Okay, so once again, how do you submit your assignment? You go here, you click on this one. When you click on this, you see what is your assignment about. When you click on this, in assignment 1 you click, you come here, you browse your computer, you attach your Word document, the document where you have done your assignment, and then you submit from here. This is how you will submit your assignments. So far I have loaded all the non-SAP assignments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the non-SAP assignments. So this is, so I have already posted assignments till October 2. So you can work on these right now. SAP assignments and SAP access will be given from here. How to access SAP? This is the place where you would find out. How to access the SAP assignments? This is the place where to find it out. And SAP assignments work through videos. I will make some videos for you so that you understand how to work on SAP assignments. Now, these are not yet done. So I am prepared till October 2. Why? I would have prepared throughout for the whole semester, but SAP is changing its module. So before we were using SAP NetWeaver 7.0, but this time we are coming with a new module which is the latest and the recent most, which is 7.3, and they are still working on installing the module. You may know that SAP, the way we operate is a client server. That means we are the client, you are the client, and then the server where everything is loaded, the database is loaded, is in Chico, California. So they are still, Chico, California, they are still working on their stuff and they are not yet ready. They are actually, they should have been ready by now, but because this is a new module, they are still working on it, and only yesterday they told us that they will be ready by the end of this month. So once they are ready, then I will be ready, and then I will give you the assignments. I hope by the end of September, or I would not go till the end, maybe by the 15th of September, I should be ready with the SAP assignments and the SAP access information. So when I have the SAP access information and the SAP assignments and the walkthrough videos, I will send you an announcement, or I'll send you an email telling you that those are ready. Before that, you still have things to do till October 2. Okay, so I'm ready till October 2. And beyond that, once I get the SAP module working or activated, I will pick up from that. Okay, so research report, I have already given you the research report information. No, sorry, I haven't given you yet. The research report is due at the end of the semester. I'm working on the research report. I'll post that, as we proceed with the semester. And then email is from here, so you can email from here. So when you create a message, you will see, you go to 2, you see the whole class here. You can pick and choose whom you want to write, and yes, you can attach from the email. So this is the attach button, and you can attach anything from you want from the email with the email. But please, once again, do not send me assignments through email. I will send it back to you. I won't accept. Okay. So this is basically the Blackboard. Also, I want to briefly mention about SAP NetWeaver, the one that we would be covering in our class. SAP NetWeaver basically is a platform for integrating people, information, process and application for the company. We will get into more of it. We will have a thorough knowledge of SAP NetWeaver by the time we finish this course. So, I welcome you all. I hope we will have a very productive semester. Remember, from my experience, I tell you three things: that you start early with your work, you ask for help, and you submit things on time. If you follow these three, then definitely you would have a very smooth and successful semester. And once again, I remind you that in this class till October 2, we will be working on e-commerce as a concept, as a technology, as a way of strategy for different businesses, and we will also learn the details of the technology. But after October 2, we will concentrate totally on SAP NetWeaver with its enterprise portals and Visual Composers. What they are basically: Visual Composer is a tool that helps us to develop web-based applications without coding, and enterprise portals helps us to integrate different applications and databases and documents with a web portal. Okay, once again, let's have a productive semester, and I hope to hear from you. From time to time, we would like to have a engaging class where all of us would participate and learn and enrich each other's lives. Okay, I'll talk to you later again.